Welcome to my channel Artistic Brielle. Let's begin. Hello friends, on this video, drawing exercise to improve your art skill. If you also want to make such a painting like me, then practice regularly. Practice is very important for drawing, just like our body needs exercise, workout, warm up. Similarly, drawing also need exercise, warm up, regular basis practice. So, without wasting time, let's do exercise number 1. For exercise number 1, freehand circle. Hold the pencil, make a plus sign with a ruler and keep in mind that the horizontal and vertical line should be equal. Then draw a circle by joining the points. And second step, कोई भी सर्कल शेप का ऑब्जेक्ट का माध्यम से सर्कल ड्रॉ कीजिए और उसी सर्कल पे पेंसिल से बार बार चलाइए. इससे आपका सर्कल का प्रैक्टिस होगा. If need a big circle, hold the pencil up and move the pencil lightly. For second exercise, cross hatching. Used any your favorite material. Cross hatching technique filling space with at least 2 set of line. With a second shade crossing over the first to create a dark effect. And curved line, slanting line, straight line से hatching का practice करेंगे per day. You draw any simple shapes of drawing just like square, rectangle, circle, oval. उसमें क्रॉस हैचिंग मेथड का यूज़ करेंगे और प्रैक्टिस करेंगे रेगुलर बेसिस पे. थर्ड एक्सरसाइज, continuous line drawing. Continuous line drawing, make a one line and don't left off the pen of paper. This is the great practice for observation and build the confidence and also improve our hand and eye coordination. Draw slowly and observe well. Continuous line drawing method is start to finish. Fourth exercise, value scale. Value scales refers to shading light to dark an object. Dark shades show depth. Draw 9 squares connected side by side using HB pencil. Shade in the first box so that the value is light. Shade in the middle box so that value is gray. And the shade in the last box so that the value is dark. Similarly, make a 9 box using a color pencil and fill all the boxes with light to dark color. And last, fifth exercise, quick drawing. Set the time for 3 minutes and draw any random photo and detailing setting के साथ drawing को complete करना है. Then set करेंगे 1 minute का time. Detailing setting पे ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देना है, structure पे काम करेंगे और drawing complete करेंगे. Then set the time for 30 seconds and do rapidly sketch. That's it for today video, but there are more exercises as all the exercises don't be covered in one video. So do subscribe my channel for such more tutorials. If you find this video interesting and informative, then don't forget like and comment. And thank you.